Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about organizing your life, your work, and your money. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I have simplified my planner setup. If you didn't see my last video, I did talk about how I had decided to simplify my planner to make it fit into 3 sections, which is my life section, my work section, and my money section. And I did this because of how busy this season has been in my life. My husband and I are opening up a church, and it has just caused us to reevaluate how we are currently planning and doing things. We need to simplify as much as possible. So I have done this within my planner, and today I wanted to share with you how I have simplified my weekly planning setup. So this is the life planner that I created. It is an undated hourly planner. It goes from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. This is the planner that I am currently used to plan all of the areas of my life except for my social media. So any place that I need to be, anything that I need to do with my home or my personal or my family, it's all going in this planner right now. Now, that's a big change from what I have done in the past and how I have planned in the past. So let me walk you through how I have updated this particular setup so that I am still able to fit everything that I need within this planner. First things first, I am using some stickers. I have been trying to get into some sticker kits lately, and this one is by Cherry Splash Co., but I decided to start using stickers more often because I had condensed down my planner so much. I went from basically using 8 planners to about 3 right now. And so since that's the case, I wanted to enjoy the process of planning as much as possible. So what I am doing right now is just adding down some stickers. I am setting up, and I'm still using boxes in order to highlight the main or the big events that are happening throughout the course of the week. So these are mainly any places that I need to be, appointments, or any classes that I am teaching, any YouTube videos that are posting. Usually I will put those in boxes because they are super important, and I want to make sure that they happen throughout the course of the week. So one of the main reasons why I had a home planner was to keep track of our meals. And since I no longer have a home planner, I got rid of that one. I did decide to use my sidebar for my meal planning process. I use the sidebar to write out all of the dinners, and I just basically put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to write out the dinners that we are planning on having for the week. And then I am writing out breakfast, lunch, and dinner in different spots, 6 a.m., 12 p.m., and 10 p.m. I don't eat at 10 p.m., but I wanted to give myself some extra space. I know by 10 p.m. I will be in bed, so I can use that space just to write out the dinner that we had, even if it was at 7 o'clock and I have something else going on at that time. So I know that it's not the time that I'm going to be eating, but I did need to have a spot where I can kind of keep track of our dinners since I no longer have a home planner. I am also now adding more details within this planner. So before, this was my catch-all planner, which means I would just refer myself at a specific time to another planner. So if it's 8 a.m. and it's time for me to work out, I would refer myself to my personal planner and then write out all of the details of my workout in that planner. Well, now I have switched that up, and now as you can see, I'm writing out the details of my workout in this planner at the time that I am working out. So I wouldn't do this in the past because I always ran out of room, and I didn't have enough room to write down all of the things that I needed to do throughout the course of my day. In order to fix that problem, I have added another section, a to-do section, which I have as an insert, and I am able to write down everything that's coming up. You will see that a little bit later on in this video, how I set that up for the week as well. So now this planner is still serving as my catch-all, but it is everything in this one planner instead of being broken out like it was in the past. I have all of the details in this one planner except for my social media posts, and it's only because my social media posts require so much extra writing. I am planning out my Instagram posts, my Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, actual YouTube videos. There's just so much more that goes into that, along with my membership, that I definitely needed to have a separate section for that. But other than that, everything else is within this one planner. Now, I've only been doing this for the last 2 weeks on purpose. I did end up doing this a couple of weeks before that, not on purpose, but just because I didn't have time to plan in all of my other planners. And I realized that since I didn't have time to plan in all of my other planners on a consistent basis, that I might as well try this method out on purpose because it was happening anyway. So this is the way that I'm currently planning out my week. And as you can see, there is more details at the beginning of the week than there are at the end of the week, and that's still because I like to really analyze my day at the beginning of the day, and then I will write out the specifics of what I am going to do that day. The second section that is still within my life section, but this is an insert, is my habit tracker. So my habit tracker is all of the habits that I am planning on completing throughout the course of the week. I will usually just add the exact same stickers, like the leftover stickers that I have from whatever kit I am using that week, to my habit tracker as well. And that's just so that my weekly spread and my habit tracker can match. It's an easy way for me to realize which week I was working on these specific habits. So what I'll do now is write out all of the to-dos that I would normally do every single day. So these are things that I do on a daily basis and not once a week or twice a week. And that's just so I don't have to write them over and over on my to-do list. So after this, the last section that I have within my life planning section is my to-do list. Now this insert is the biggest reason why I am able to condense all of the planners that I have. And I don't know why I never thought of this before, but I had a really big issue with simplifying my planner because I never had enough space to write out all of the different things that I needed to do in all of the different areas of my life. So on this insert, I am keeping track of all of my to-dos for the entire week. I usually will add the exact same stickers from the same kit so that my habit tracker, my to-do list, and my weekly spread will match for the week. And then I'm going to write the dates of the week, the current week that we're on, at the very top. And I'm just going to brain dump and write down all of my to-dos for the week. And I will just use this continuously throughout the week, and it really does just help me to stay on top of all of the different things that I need to do in all of the areas. And that is it for my weekly setup. Now, this is a super simple process that I know is going to help me during my busy schedule. However, I know I'm going to miss all of my planners. I love planning. It is a hobby for me. And so this is going to be a big adjustment for me. However, I am going with the flow, and I gotta do what I gotta do in this season. So let me know in the comments below, is this something that you may need to do? Are you super busy? I would love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about organizing your life, your work, and your money, make sure that you check out the Organize You. The Organize You is my monthly membership where we do weekly classes. I have a private podcast that we have just started. You get access to all of my planner downloads. Any download that you have seen in this video is available for free under my monthly membership. We read a book together every single month and do a book club, and I do a giveaway every single month in the membership. So I hope to see you over there. You can find out more about it in the description box. I will leave the link there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.